Hi gorgeous, how are you? In today's video we are going to be unboxing the new Essence Advent Calendar. We are starting the Advent Calendar season and I'm super excited. So the price for this one is 30 euros. We have 24 doors. It is a little bit more expensive than last year's. It was 26 euros, so I really want to see if this is worth the money. Every year it gets more expensive. The packaging is super adorable. It is perfect to give to someone. And it is also lightweight. We have a super festive design. It says Merry Everything and Happy Always. The box reminds a lot what we had last year, but this time we have more doors. We don't have any spoilers online about the products. The only thing that I was able to find was that it has 24 limited edition products. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm going to be posting a lot of Advent Calendar videos. And let's find door number 1. It looks like an eyeshadow base. I lost my touch. I cannot open the doors. I was so close. So this is an eyeshadow and brow highlighter. We don't have a shade name and it is super pretty. It is time to swatch it. We have a light pink highlighter. It can look amazing on the brow bone and also on the cheekbone. It's a very beautiful shade for lighter complexions. I'm hoping that we can also get something for darker skin tones. And now let's go to the door number 2 here. I think it's gonna be a lip balm. Let's find out. It is definitely a lip product. I was very close. So this one is the semi-matte lipstick in the shade, again we don't have a shade. The packaging is adorable. Let's swatch this one as well. It can look very beautiful on a lot of skin tones. We have a dark berry lipstick and it also has a light berry scent. It doesn't say something on the packaging and this is looking like a full size. Not bad. And let's continue with door number 3 right up here. This is looking like tweezers. Maybe it is also a lip balm. I'm going to say tweezers. Ta-da! It is a nail polish. And we have this adorable nail polish. It says mini matte nail polish. We have a light pink color. I'm going to swatch it on my nails because today I don't have any color on them. With one coat it is a little bit streaky, but with the second coat it is fully opaque and it dries actually matte. I don't like matte nails, so it is weird that I see my nail like this. With this one we have 5 milliliters. Even though it is a mini, I think you can use it a lot of times for a few months. Let's go to door number 4. So it is a little bit bigger. I'm going to say an eyeshadow palette. I don't know, the size is very weird. It doesn't remind me. Maybe it is a face primer. I don't remember ever having a face primer. Ow! It's a brush. It's a brush. Every year the brushes are in a paper bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. We have an ombre effect, some snowflakes. We have seen this brush again in Christmas collections by Essence, also in Advent calendars. It is a little bit smaller than the regular eyeshadow brush, but you can still use it. You can pack the eyeshadow. Essence brushes are very long lasting. I have some for 5 years. And now door number 5 is up here. It looks again like a lip product. I'm going to say a lip balm again. Am I right? Am I wrong? I'm wrong again. So this is a brow fixing gel and it seems like it is a mini. We have a smaller spoolie. And it looks like it is clear. Yeah, it says transparent brow gel to shape and fix the eyebrow. We have 4 milliliters. The packaging is super adorable. I like that it is completely white and then you open it and we have this red handle. Super nice touch. And let's find now door number 7. No, 6. 6, not 7. It's this one here. It is a little bit bigger. It looks like a blush. Am I right? Okay, I'm gonna say a blush. They usually have blushes in advent calendars. And this is the face perfecting powder. It says it is transparent with fine shimmer particles for a healthy glow. Absorbs excess oil and creates a perfect finish. Golden particles, what? I don't see something. The stamp is super pretty. We have beautiful snowflakes. I think it smells. It's not unpleasant, but I don't know what it is. I'm going to swatch it so we can see if it is actually transparent. Okay, it looks transparent and it has gold particles. Why? Who wants gold glitter all over the face? We have 5 grams of product. It's not a full size. Door number 7 next. It's this one. I truly have no clue. What can this be? I'm going to say mascara. A mini mascara. Not even close. I don't have it. It's been a year since I unboxed the previous advent calendar. So we have here some adorable nail art stickers. They go very well with the design of the advent calendar. Super cute. And door number 8 now. It looks like an eye pencil or lip pencil. I'm going to say an eye pencil because every year they have eye pencils. And this is a lip pencil. That's a very interesting product. It says transparent lip liner. Transparent? What? Ooh, maybe this color changing. Okay, let's find out. It looks like a brow wax. It is suitable for all Essence lipstick lip gloss shades. It has a weird scent. I don't know what it is. And it's not color changing, my friend. Actually, it is a little bit sticky and it is melting on my skin. It feels like a balm, not a lip liner. Maybe you can also use it as a base. It says you can define the lips and prevent color from feathering. Up next, door number 9. Where are you, 9? Oh, it's this one. It looks again like a lip product. I'm going to say a lip gloss, not a lip balm. Oh my god, I found it! And this one is the Caring Shimmer Lip Gloss. The packaging is so pretty. It contains castor and peach kernel oil. Let's see the color that we have. It smells like most likely peaches since it has peach kernel oil. Yeah, it is peaches. So I'm going to swatch it here. Ooh, it is glossy. Very nice. And also a very unique shade for a Christmas advent calendar. Usually we have red lip glosses or a clear. And this one is a full size. So door number 10 is very close to door number 9. And it looks like a bronzer or a blush. Maybe it is a little face palette with a bronzer and a blush. Let's find out. Yeah, wrong again. These are the face and the nail pearls, and we have some beautiful pearls. I like these mostly for the face because they are very big for the nails. Also, if you're not doing gel manicure on your nails, these are not going to stay on the nails. You can use these for a festive Christmassy makeup look. And door number 11 is definitely a brush. Yes, it is the size of the brush and a little paper pouch. Dun, dun, dun. Found it, and this is the Christmas Brow and Lash Spoolie Brush. And let's see this cutie here come out. Dun dun! Oh, and we have the same ombre effect. It is very nice. And this slanted spoolie, not bad. And then we have door number 12 somewhere. Where are you, 12? Okay, it's here. Whoops. I almost dropped it again. I'm going to say a lip balm. It looks like a lip product. Oh, I forgot the size of the door. Rookie mistake. So this one is the mini shiny nail polish. And we have a beautiful dark burgundy shade. I'm curious why it says shiny. Most likely it is the regular nail polish. Okay, I'm going to swatch it on my other nail. And this is with one coat. And this is how it looks with two coats. I really like it. And it goes very well with this light pink one as well. You can use this one to do some designs on the dark burgundy. And let's find now door number 13 is bigger. Do you think it is a face palette? I hope it's not again nail stickers or face stickers. Oh, not even close. Phew! And this one is the Holo face mask. It has a caring and moisturizing formula. As I can see from the directions on the back of the packaging, this is not a sheet mask. We have a creamy product here. Most likely you can use it 2 times. I'm very curious to see how hollow it is on the face. This is a very fun product for a self-care day. Door number 14 now. Where are you? It's this one. It looks like stickers, but we already have stickers. What is this? Oh, maybe a mirror? Wrong again. And we have here eyeliner stencils. Interesting. I have never used eyeliner stencils. With stencils, you can learn how to do your eyeliner easier. Let's see what we have. Oops, okay. So we have 3 stencils here. The first one is the extravagant cat eye. And we also have bottom liner. I really don't know how to use this. Seriously. So I need to try them in a video. And the next one is the double wing. Okay. It's something like that. And we also have the cat eye. Oh boy. I really don't know how to use this. Very unique products. I never got before eyeliner stencils in an advent calendar. And then we have door number 15. It looks like a pencil again, most likely eye pencil. Oh, I don't think it is. I actually found it. This is the white kajal eyeliner. I just, because of the packaging, I thought it would be a lip liner. And let's see. Ooh, it's very, very creamy and very opaque. It looks very nice. I really like the packaging, and we have a full size. Moving on to door number 16, if I ever find it. Ah, okay, found it. So it's here. I really have no clue what it can be. And we have a beautiful light pink hair clip. It is super cute. It can look very nice with my hairstyle today. I hope we have one more. And it is very sturdy. It doesn't look cheapish. I like the matte finish that we have. And then now door number 17. It's this one here. Again, it looks like a face powder. I'm gonna say a blush, but I can't find the edge so I can open the door. Oh, it's a highlighter. So we have a golden highlighter with an adorable pattern. It is like pebble stones, and this is how it looks in the swatches. I really like that we have a golden highlighter as well for more skin tones. Following that, door number 18. I'm going to say a blush. It looks like a face powder again. Oh, we have something sparkly. What is this? Heart-shaped nail file. It is super cute. And it says file in style and smile. The other side is full on glitter. I don't think you can use it for your nails. Yeah, you can't. In Essence Advent calendars, we usually have the typical nail file, but a mini one. I really like that now we have a heart shape. It is super adorable. And door number 19 is right next to door number 18. It looks like a lip balm. I cannot push it Where is the edge? I brought the big guns. The spatula. Finally, I made an opening. And it is. And this is the shimmer lip balm with Caring Oil Complex. The packaging is super gorgeous. And let's see if it is an orangey one. Yes, it is. It smells like... I have no clue again. It contains Caring Oil Complex and shea butter. I think it smells like oranges, not shea butter, but I'm not a scent expert. I really want to swatch it. It is clear with some very fine glitter. They're not very noticeable. It is very shiny. We have one more full size and let's go to door number 20 somewhere. 20. Ooh, it's here. Oh, it is a brush. It is definitely a brush. I'm going all in. I'm right. And this is the Christmas eyeliner brush. Okay, most likely it is an angle brush. I'm curious if it is the same with the regular collection. Oh, it's not, but it's the same size with the eyebrow brush that they have. I really like this shape. It is great to apply eyeshadow very close to the lashes and create an eyeliner. And even though it is a mini brush, you can hold it pretty easily. It is a shorter brush, not exactly a mini. Nice brush, and let's go to door 21. Where are you? I almost opened it and then I saw that I wasn't filming. It looks like a lip balm, a lipstick. We also had a lip gloss. So I'm going to say a lip scrub, and it's not a lip scrub. This one is the mini matte nail top coat. Why matte? I don't like matte products. Are matte nails trending again? I have no clue. And door number 22, where are you? Found it. I'm going to say again a lip scrub because it is the same size. And it's not. Again, it's not. This is the glitter eyebrow tweezer. We need to open this glitter tweezer. Tell me more. Oh my god, it's so cute. Give me anything glitter. It also has a very tiny logo of Essence. And I like that the glitter are not transferring. That's nice. Door 23 now. Where are you? It is bigger. It looks like a palette, but also like a sheet mask. So I'm gonna say a palette, but I think it's gonna be a sheet mask. Oh my god. Da-dun. Oh, I was very close. And we have here some adorable eye patches. I think we also have these in the regular collection. So it says heart-shaped hydrogel eye patches. You can also use them with the hollow face mask. They can provide 24-hour hydration. This is a full size but also a single-use product. And I'm very curious about door 24 because I thought we would have an eyeshadow palette. This looks like a brush again. So I'm going to say a brush. And I'm wrong again. And we have here a lip oil with avocado and raspberry oil. It looks very nice. Okay, let's see how it smells. It smells like raspberries, but it is more sour. It's not a sweet raspberry scent. Okay, I'm very curious to swatch it. It is very shiny. I'm back. I wanted to find all of the prices for the products and the math are not mathing. This year I felt like the overall value was not there, so I needed to find all the prices for the products. And sadly, the overall value is 35 euros. It's not even double what I have paid. It's nice that we have limited edition products, but almost half of them are minis or single-use products. I'm sad that I'm going to give to this advent calendar 3.5 stars. Every year I'm giving it 5 stars and I'm overly excited with the products. This year I cannot say the same. Let me know in the comments what are your favorite products of this advent calendar. I really liked the brushes, the lipstick is very promising, the lip oil, and you can watch next my predictions of this year's advent calendars, also some sneak peeks. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!